Hi all, the sonof have some problem. This is RF, sonof RF, which means I can connect directly and with RF remote control, and it is not working properly, and I guess that there is a problem with one of the capacitors. I guess the inside capacitor. I will show you what is going on. I will connect now 220 volts. And there is a noise. If you can hear, there is a buzzing noise. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you that it is doing an on-off with the switch, but with the RF it is not working, and there is the buzzing noise. So I will now disconnect it from the outlet, of course, in order not to get electric shock. And I've bought these capacitors from AliExpress. Yeah. So the capacitor inside, I'm almost sure that it is, let's recheck it again. Capacitor is 400 volt, and yeah, let's take it out, see the exact value. Probably it is discharged already, but you have to wait if it is not, so I will do a short here on the input. It, of course, it is disconnected from the outlet right now. Yeah. And now let's try to remove the capacitor and see if the noise is gone and it's back to life. So I'm activating now soldering iron, and of course make sure to check carefully the polarity. You can see the minus is here and the positive is inside. So now I can carefully take this cap off. What I'm doing is hitting each pin and then move it a little while hitting it. Yeah, it's already off, and yeah, this is a 3.3 microfarad. So I'm using a little higher capacitor, but this is not a problem. This, of course, okay. So I'm putting 4.7. I just care about the size, and the new size is smaller anyhow, so I don't have any issue closing the box after doing it. Okay, you can see that currently what happened, usually you have to desolder all the yeah, you have to desolder everything out because the pins are blocked on the PCB. So I have to use this solder remover. Yeah, it is still not good because I don't see the hole yet. So I'm doing also from the other side, waiting few seconds. On each pin. Okay, now I think I am good. So this is the positive, this is the negative. putting it all the way down. And now we will do resoldering. Make sure you don't have a short. Put everything back, maybe even with this cover, just in order. To make sure that even if the polarity is incorrect and or the capacitor is not good or something happened, it will explode inside this box. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's put it back. We still have a noise, so the noise is still there. Ha! I was not expecting this. Okay. Okay, so maybe this is not the issue, but I have the second cap. It can be the issue. The second cap. Of course, it can be also other thing, yeah? I'm just guessing. Usually the main capacitor on the high voltage, after many years, there is a problem with it, usually. So let's remove the second cap. Same method. Okay. What do we have here? 470 microfarad to 16 volt. Okay. Okay. I think I have something. I'm going to use a smaller capacitor, 220, because this is what I have that will fit in. It's not the best thing to do, but this is what I have. Let's try again. Ha! Issue was solved. I don't believe it. No noise. It's totally quiet. I cannot hear anything. And the problem was the bigger capacitor, not as I expected. So the problem is 470 microfarad to 16 volt. Now I will try to connect with the application to see if I can find it. Before I'm doing it, I will try to use a remote for it. So I have this remote, and what you need is to press it, and then now it is working. Do you see? So the problem was solved even with 220 microfarad to 35 volt. Hope you enjoyed. Amazing. Thank you and bye.